Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to draw a mango with watercolor. At first I'm using crimson lake red color. Then I will use lemon yellow color and sap green. Now I'm using lemon yellow color. At first mix it with red color properly. Then again use your lemon yellow color. Now I will use sap green color for little bit greenish vibe. Now I am using sap green color for the leaf. At first draw the outline with the green color. Add little bit water to blend that color properly. Spread that color properly. Now I will use a mixture of black and red color. You can use directly brown color. You can use burnt sienna color for hair, but I mixed red and black color to make this color. Don't forget to put the outline. I forgot to put the outline, so please you put the outline. It's done. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Bye.